Hello, how are you today? Hello, how are you today?
I think I am pretty good today. I think I am pretty good today.
What's your name? What's your name?
My name is Sheila. My name is Sheila.
Where are you from? Where are you from?
I come from Canada. I come from Canada.
How old are you? How old are you?
I am 15 years old. I am 15 years old.
What do you do? What do you do?
I am a student. I am a student.
What does your father do? What does your father do?
My father is a businessman. My father is a businessman.
What does your mother do? What does your mother do?
My mother is a housewife. My mother is a housewife.
How many members are there in your family? How many members are there in your family?
There are 6 members in my family. There are 6 members in my family.
How many brothers and sisters do you have? How many brothers and sisters do you have?
I have a brother and 2 sisters. I have a brother and 2 sisters.
How do you go to school? How do you go to school?
I go to school by bus. I go to school by bus.
What is your favorite subject? What is your favorite subject?
English is my favorite subject. English is my favorite subject.
Why is your favorite? Why is your favorite?
English is my favorite subject because I can easily understand. English is my favorite subject because I can easily understand.
How long do you practice English in a day? How long do you practice English in a day?
I practice English 4 hours a day. I practice English 4 hours a day.
Why are you studying English? Why are you studying English?
I am studying English because it helps me increase my knowledge. I am studying English because it helps me increase my knowledge.
What do you take exercise regularly? What do you take exercise regularly?
I take exercise regularly. I take exercise regularly.
With whom do you spend most of your time? With whom do you spend most of your time?
I spend most of my time with my family. I spend most of my time with my family.
Whom do you like the most in your family? Whom do you like the most in your family?
In my family, I like my mother the most. In my family, I like my mother the most.
What time do you have your breakfast? What time do you have your breakfast?
I usually have breakfast at 9 a.m. I usually have breakfast at 9 a.m.
What kind of person do you like? What kind of person do you like?
I like someone who is honest, polite, and friendly. I like someone who is honest, polite, and friendly.
What type of books do you like? What type of books do you like?
I like English storybooks. I like English storybooks.
What are you doing? What are you doing?
I am reading English books. I am reading English books.
Can you speak in English? Can you speak in English?
Yes, I can speak in English. Yes, I can speak in English.
How many languages can you speak? How many languages can you speak?
I can speak 2 languages. I can speak 2 languages.
Why are you late today? Why are you late today?
I am late because I woke up late today. I am late because I woke up late today.
What is your favorite food? What is your favorite food?
My favorite food is pizza, it is delicious food. My favorite food is pizza, it is delicious food.
What is your favorite color? What is your favorite color?
My favorite color is white. It suits me. My favorite color is white. It suits me.
Do you use Facebook? Do you use Facebook?
Yes, I use Facebook. Yes, I use Facebook.
How long do you use Facebook? How long do you use Facebook?
I use Facebook for 2 hours a day. I use Facebook for 2 hours a day.
Everyday practice English to improve your skill.
Everyday practice English to improve your skill.